Hello, everybody. So, today I wanted to let you know about a change that Microsoft is making to their 365 bundle. So, let's go over and I wanted to show you all the changes that they're making so that we can discuss them. Okay, so as you can see, Microsoft is going to be bundling the Office AI features into their Microsoft 365, but they're also raising the prices at the same time. So Microsoft is bundling its AI-powered Office features into Microsoft 365 personal and family subscriptions, but it's also raising prices as a result. Previously, Microsoft 365 subscribers had to pay an extra $20 per month to get Copilot inside Office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint as part of a Copilot Pro subscription. But Microsoft is now adding these AI features to Microsoft 365 apps for an extra $3 per month. Existing subscribers can opt out of the AI features and not suffer the price increase, though. But my suspicion is that most people won't even know why they're being charged $3 more per month, and they're just gonna keep paying it thinking that you have to have it, when if you don't really want to have those Office AI features, you could go and turn it off and save that money. So, that might be something that would be helpful for some of you that just don't wanna have any of those AI features. Now, Microsoft has been testing adding AI powered Office apps, the most important feature of Copilot Pro, into the Microsoft 365 subscriptions in recent months. What was previously only available in Australia, New Zealand, and a number of countries across Asia is now expanding to most markets worldwide. While it feels like Microsoft is admitting that people aren't willing to pay an extra $20 a month for AI powered Office features, Microsoft argues it has always wanted to bring AI features to more users. And if you think about all the millions of users they have and they charge each person $3 a month, that's a lot of money. So that's going to be a lot of extra revenue for Microsoft. But it's also going to help people that want to have those AI features not have to pay $20 a month, they can pay $3. So that might be beneficial to you as well. Now, according to the senior director of marketing for Copilot Pro and Microsoft 365, they know that people are willing to pay for the integration into Microsoft 365. The Copilot Pro is an opportunity to learn from our power users and early adopters. Our plan all along has been, how do we bring this value to as many subscribers as possible in a way that works for them and for us? And I also suspect that they didn't have many people signing up at $20 a month to have those Office AI features. But if they bring it down to $3 a month, most people won't even mind the $3 a month and they'll keep it, and then they'll have access to the AI features if they want them. And Microsoft will make even more money because they're charging less and getting a whole lot more subscribers. Now, Copilot Pro isn't going away, and Microsoft isn't reducing its $20 monthly pricing either. It will remain for power users who want priority access to the latest AI models, along with early access to new AI features. And we definitely have a place for Copilot Pro, and there is still a group of folks that enjoy the power use of Copilot Pro. Now, Microsoft is raising the price of Microsoft 365 personal and family subscriptions by $3 per month in the US to bring these AI powered Office features to all subscribers. Now, we are raising the prices of Microsoft 365 personal and family for the first time in 12 years, which is pretty incredible that they haven't gone up in 12 years. We never actually raised prices in the US, and we're raising it by $3 a month, along with similar amounts in other markets. Nobody likes price increases, and consumers are especially sensitive to being asked to pay more for AI features right now. If you don't want to pay extra for these AI features, then Microsoft will have plans for existing subscribers to remain at the same price point without Copilot and Office apps. And we've created two new plans that are really only going to be available for the next year: Personal Classic and Family Classic. They'll be available as folks go through the renewal cycle. If they go to cancel, they'll have the opportunity to pick one of these personal classic or family classic plans. Now, these plans will only be available to existing Microsoft 365 subscribers, and new subscribers will get AI powered Office features by default with the new pricing changes. It sounds like the classic plans won't get any of Microsoft's big new features, though. They'll continue to get security updates and minor feature updates, but any new additional innovations that we deliver in the future won't be included in those plans. Microsoft is also introducing a new AI credit system today alongside its Microsoft 365 subscription changes. It's a new system that works across most of Microsoft's AI powered consumer experiences, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote. You'll get a monthly allotment of credits within Microsoft 365 Personal and Family to use on things like image generation in the Design app or in apps on Windows like Paint, Photos, and Notepad. Copilot Pro essentially includes unlimited usage of all these AI features based on a fair usage policy. Microsoft is also making it easy to turn off Copilot in Office apps if you simply don't want the AI assistant or you're a student and your school has policies against using AI. The most interesting piece of feedback we learned is that there are times where our users want to turn off Copilot. And we've been working to add new features to some of our key apps that allow people to toggle off Copilot. This is coming to Word first today, and then Excel and PowerPoint in the coming weeks. So I really think that that's going to be interesting to a lot of you who either want to have Copilot or don't want to have Copilot. Because if you want it, it's only going to be $3 more a month, and you're going to get credits that you can use at any time, and you can use it for image generation or other tasks. Now, if you want to have unlimited, you're still going to have to pay the $20 a month. But even then, that's going to be fantastic because you can have one account and you can make as many images as you want. So I think that's going to be great. And then if you don't want it at all, you can still sign up for those classic plans and be able to save the $3 a month. Now, I don't know how long they're going to continue the classic plans, but at least for now, you'll be able to stay on the classic and avoid that $3 upcharge. So I hope you enjoyed that article and it was very interesting to you. And I hope it was also helpful so that if you need to make any changes to your Microsoft 365 plan, you can go in there and make those changes now to avoid any extra charges, or you want to keep those features so you can use the AI. If you do have any questions about this, or you just want to discuss it with me, please let me know down below in the comments, and I will be more than happy to get back to you. And if there's a video, topic, or article that you would like for me to discuss with you and make a video on, please let me know that down below in the comments as well. And I will do my best to create that video for you. And as always, because you all do such a great job, if you can, hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep putting up more great articles like, did you know that Microsoft 365 is making changes to the plans and they're also going to be raising their prices? And I'll be more than happy to keep putting up all these great articles, topics, and videos for you all. Thanks so much, everybody. I hope you have a great day. Take care. God bless. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.